When managing a business, there can be many forces working against you, like intense competition, changing customer preferences, and resource limitations. Luckily, there's one force that won't ever let you down: Salesforce. Salesforce is a comprehensive CRM solution that empowers businesses to manage and optimize their sales and customer services in a unified and efficient manner. My name is Emmanuel Jordan, and in this week's Top 5, I'll be counting down 5 Salesforce features that can help your business manage and improve your customer relationships. Starting off our journey in the Salesforce galaxy is contact management. This tool offers a perspective on customer interactions, incorporating social data for enhanced insights. This functionality is valuable for businesses emphasizing customer engagement and seeking to utilize social data for strategic marketing purposes. Facilitating seamless communication within the organization, this feature is best for teams that require efficient collaboration. Zooming through hyperspace to the second spot is opportunity management. This feature provides businesses with a chronological overview of customer activities and the different stages within a deal, enabling strategic planning for future actions. In highly competitive industries, this feature becomes indispensable, providing insights that can help maintain a lead position in the market. Notably, users can also use pre-designed email templates, streamlining client communication and ensuring efficiency in the interaction process. If this feature sounds like something your business has been missing, head over to TechRepublic.com to learn more. Landing at the third position is quote management. Salesforce streamlines the quoting process through its integrated mechanisms, providing advantages for businesses dealing with intricate pricing structures. This feature automates the quote-to-cash process, simplifying invoicing and payment collection. It enables the creation of detailed quotes to showcase products and service prices, allowing businesses to present various combinations of products, discounts, and quantities for customers to compare. Additionally, users can easily add and organize products to maintain up-to-date and customizable quotes. Channeling the force of innovation at number 4 is Einstein AI. Salesforce Einstein AI helps maximize the utilization of customer data through flexible and predictive AI capabilities. The native integration of Einstein AI offers conversational AI capabilities through the Salesforce interface. This allows businesses to tailor customer interactions by using AI-generated content based on real-time data like emails and call summaries. Einstein AI also powers Einstein Analytics, a tool that provides high-level business intelligence, unlocking complex sales and service insights. Harnessing the power of Salesforce at number 5 is mobility. The mobile app gives users convenient access to CRM data from any location. It facilitates the creation and management of events, tasks, and contacts, along with the ability to view reports and receive customized notifications for business workflows. That wraps up the top 5 Salesforce features that can help manage and improve your customer relationships. If you'd like to learn more about Salesforce, head over to TechRepublic.com, and don't forget, a Salesforce sign-up link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the Salesforce be with you.